Yo, my people, welcome back to another episode of Alien Eats Yard. Me there up on the hilltop, still undetected by NASA and my landlord. Today, me a risk it for taste mannish water straight from Stony Hill. Wanna go on, Ratty? You ready for me? Not a thing, my brethren. I got everything set up and ready for you. Yeah man, big up on yourself. So today we're trying some real Jamaican soup.
Here you go, my friend, hot and ready.
Respect, brother. I want to this man, heaven. Nah, tell no lie, this mannish water bad. Ratty, thank you.
The dog, them not like me, but them now bite me.
I want to go on. Them brother here rob the truck.
Me I get the hell out of here, back to my hideout, vlog world. Damn it, man. That was too close, brother. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Me I do some night fishing for my dinner tomorrow. Or, huh?
Brother, it looks like another one find the jackpot.